What's up, y'all? It's always something. I'm pretty sure I towed it home like this. There's a better angle of it. You can see it just ripped right off the welds. Kind of like a tear. I think it tore from the top and then worked its way down. And this is the second bracket I've had break off. This is the first bracket that broke off. My friend re-welded it. But he put some reinforcement back here, and I think that's why this one's not breaking off. It's looking like for now I'm just gonna have to hit it up with a disc, try to get some of this old weld off, and nut and bolt it for now. All right, plan B. All right, guys, we're gonna go test the waters here at this dock. Got some live bait, some minnows, 3 rods, fish basket. I think winds are like 20 miles an hour today. Let's get in here. There's no one fishing on this dock. Hopefully the fish are biting though. Are they biting?
Small ones.
And I don't know if this helps or not, but I like to acclimate the minnows. So from the store, it has a different temperature water, and the lake, it's gonna have different temperature water. So I like to put a good amount of water in here so the temperature kind of equals out, and then put the bubbler back on here.
We've been catching a lot of nice crappie inside in the morning. 13, 14 and a half inch crappie coming out. We were the only ones fishing.
Yeah, I think a lot of people don't know about that one, right?
A lot of people were doing the walking, and I saw the guys throwing that frisbee golf. I asked him, I said, hey, Mike, yeah. I said, you don't paddle mama with that, do you?
Oh, we got one. Oh no. I lost him. Yeah, I got him. Mm-hmm. I gotta keep track. This one was 3 reels up.
How's that?
This one was about 3 reels up.
Yeah.
I'm trying to keep track of how deep I'm fishing.
He told me 30 minutes ago, we're on our way.
Well, there's fish here. I think it was somewhere close to the bottom. Damn it. Whatever it is, it's coming up, but it's too heavy.
When last time you been out on your boat?
Shoot. It was Stillhouse.
Stillhouse? How'd you do over there?
Man,
Stillhouse been pretty good though, bro.
the third brush pile I went to, it was just straight, everything was keeper.
Yeah, they've been biting good out there, man.
Yeah. But it seems like the hot spots between, it's all mid-lake. He was on there the whole time. I just saw my line barely moving. This is a keeper though.
That's a crappie.
Yeah, it should be a good one.
Bring that beast.
Oh, it's a beast.
Crappie. I told you.
Hold on, man. I don't know if I could.
Get the mat.
Dude, I don't know if I'm flipping this one.
I got your net. Bring him here. Hold on. Bring him here.
Slab. Man, we gonna throw him in y'all's bucket. Heck yeah. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, he swallowed it. He was on there. Big one.
Yeah, I said that's gonna be a good crappie. 14 right there. I knew it.
Oh, he didn't get it that deep.
Yeah, it is not.
Oh, he wasn't even gut hooked.
Oh, no, he's 13.
13 and a half.
13. I almost got 14.
Hey, Brent,
Yes, sir.
I keep calling, hey, Brent. We left Crow 11 today. Got out there on 190.
Yeah, right?
Right.
Not one pole. He over there got both poles and he's throwing in a quarter on the first one.
Right.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, I'm this big.
Right.
I swear, baby. It's this big. You put my whole damn fish in the bottom. But yeah, he was funny, man. Unless you got the color.
I don't drink it.
Do you know where a Happy Meal toy is?
At the barbershop.
And that was the 2 hook method.
Oh, I love you. Bye.
I don't think it's big enough.
What is that? MetaQuest 3?
512.
512 gigabyte.
With the Arkham Knight stuff.
What's Arkham Knight?
That's what the Batman. It's a VR game for it. Comes with it. I think you get 3 months or something like that. They still want you to pay arm and leg for it.
I think they're under here. They're under here somewhere.
Oh yeah, they're down there.
They're down here. There are some in here. It's a bass.
Fish for white bass, so this whole crappie thing is beautiful.
What, catching crappie? Yeah, they're super picky.
Man, you got it on?
Yeah. Oh, lost him.
Next time.
Next time. Should be a little bit easier to work on. Let's see if we can get her lined up. Oh man, we got a long way to go. Let's see. I think it's about to start lifting the trailer off the ground. Looks like these bolts are 1.5. Or if you don't put them at an angle, you could probably hit the boat. See, I got the bracket bent a little bit more backwards to help for next time. Oh yeah. And we made a run to the store earlier. There's gonna be 1/2-inch bolts by 4-inch. These ones are galvanized. I couldn't find any kind of stainless steel in the size. We're just gonna go bolt, washer. I think it's gonna be tight back here. Washer, lock nut, or lock washer. And then a galvanized nut. We got really lucky with the washer. Thought I was gonna have to notch one of them. Alright, we're gonna let the weight back down on it, see how much it bends. Oh, nice. Barely even moved. So I think that repair is gonna hold. I don't think I'm gonna weld it. I still got 11 more holes to make in this trailer. You can see in this bracket, it's already bent forward. It's probably gonna end up cracking in the same spot. So I'm gonna stick bolts in here. We have a couple more holes in the trailer now, but you see I have a lot of holes anyways. My trailer used to float, so I ended up putting all these holes in it. It doesn't float anymore. It was holding air in here and all these tubing, this main tubing too. See all the vent holes up here? This is probably the next trailer project. Just lets the water in real quick, vents it out through the top sides. I got a little drain hole just in case it tries to hold water. Alright, thanks for watching. See y'all next time.